So it's just a quick way to set up and get sensors like the OD Mini that spits out serial, or you get an analog signal or something, and you want to take it to the AOD1. Then we can just put that on a rack or a bus with this field bus module we have here. So now I'm taking this data into the AOD1, running it over the field bus into a PLC, and being able to display the data of both of the ODs and of the fiber amplifier. So the way you would do that is you come to SICK.com, we type in the 7-digit part number, which is 6068090. And see, I've got the Ethernet IP version, and this comes in EtherCAT and Profinet. There's a lot of different ones that we have as well. So if you go to the AOD1 and you go into accessories, you can pull that up, and all we'll need is come to downloads, and then software, and then grab the EDS file. So one thing to note is that whenever you download the file from a zip, it's going to come in with two different EDS files. So depending on the version that you have, look at the date code or the serial number on the device itself, and then look at when the EDS file was released to make sure you get the right one. So in doing that, then all I did was bring it into my PLC, which you see here. And I'm just doing input only for the measurement value. There's a couple different connections and instances you can use, but this is the one I use. It's just 32 bytes of data that I'm bringing into the PLC after I dump the EDS file in it. And another thing that kind of threw me off is, since it's this IO-Link, it's Ethernet IP straight from the device, I didn't think I was going to have to actually byte swap it like you do IO-Link data, but when you bring the data in, you can see that I'm coming in on D50 is where I had it mapped to, but that data is not any good. Right now I'm reading 33, and it's just all over the place. So I had to byte swap the data, so I brought it in, I moved it to a different word, and then I just swapped those three. So even though it's stacked this way, on this right here is going to be running D50 and D51, and that's D52. And then I just bring that data in here, and I displayed it on the HMI. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, straightforward, but that's how you would get it over a field bus instead of having to run some kind of serial communication or something like that.